today is my wedding day. I would really like to thank everyone who has supported us throughout the whole journey. I'd like to thank our friends, our families at large, and everyone who has supported us. We really appreciate it. Thank you so much. This journey wouldn't have been easy if you guys haven't supported us, and most importantly, we thank God for this day. We thank God and this day is possible today. Thank you.
Yes.
Nzimande